So again I will explain you short circuiting circuit. In this short circuiting, you will say you are connecting both the ends of the battery with the help of the zero resistance wire. Now can you tell me what is the ammeter reading and what is the voltmeter reading? I think I told you earlier, net current in the circuit written as E upon R plus R. Of course R is 0, but small r is not 0. So what is the net current? You will say 12 upon 2, you will get 6 ampere. Okay. Now I want the voltmeter reading. What my voltmeter will read? Again I will tell you in the shortcut. If I write A dash B dash, we all know very well VAB equal to VA dash B dash, and that is IR. What is I? That is 6 ampere. What is resistance? 0. So I think all of you intelligent, this voltmeter will read 0 volt. Let me show you. Now of course I have discussed in one of my last class that how the voltage drop when you move from the one end of the circuit to the another end. Now same thing I am explaining here with the help of this graph. I think it is visible to all of you. When the charge enters into the battery, it gains the energy. When it comes out from the battery, there is loss in potential. So I think it is visible to all of you what is happening here. Now efficiency of cell. Basically again this topic I will discuss in electric power, but again it is coming, I will discuss you in brief. Efficiency of any device is given by output power upon input power. Here output power is taken at the load resistance and input power is given by the battery or supply. Now efficiency can be written as output power is I square R, external load is R, and input supply is given by I square net resistance R plus R. So what I will say, R upon R plus R. Okay. No. When I will say power is maximum, I will discuss in the electric power chapter that power delivered will be maximum when internal resistance equal to external resistance, then power will be maximum. It means at that time what is the efficiency of the cell? R upon R plus R, that is 1 by 2 or 50%. So you should keep in mind when the power delivered is maximum, then efficiency of the cell is 50%. But when the cell efficiency will be maximum, what is the condition for maximum efficiency? You will write the formula N equal to R upon R plus R in this way, 1 upon 1 plus R by R. Now efficiency will be maximum when R by R tends to 0 or as minimum as possible, or you can say R tends to infinite or maximum. Okay, so let me show you in the slides. Efficiency of the cell when power is maximum. Power delivered is maximum when internal resistance equal to external resistance. Of course, I will derive in the electric power chapter. But when power delivered is maximum, efficiency is only 50%. And when the efficiency will be maximum, then I have discussed. Now this is simple question. Of course, I will not solve you. You just think the series combination and try to solve it. Pause the video and solve it. Now you look at this. Okay. So now we have completed this topic. Next topic will start in the next.